Good morning. We are on our way to my workshop near where I live, and we are going to fix the awning to the car, I hope. It needs to be specially fabricated. Give you a quick shop tour. That's the part where I'm creating a new off-road trailer, and this is the part that a friend of mine uses to restore a Defender 110. This is the shop that I have right now, and I'm pretty content with it. So this is the project that we're going to work on today. I need to put an awning on the back of it. So I need to think about how to do that and create all the parts and the weld and stuff together. Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. I'm out of gas. We are on our way to the welding supply store. We ran out of gas, and that's essential when you're welding. So we're heading out to the store to get some more.
I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I've never loved one like.
Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you.
That's true. Let me tell you things down there on the sunset.
And in the streets you run free like it's only you.
I had a little bit of difficulty in figuring out how to mount the canopy on the car. Monique came by and she offered a solution, or an idea to a solution. So I'm making a strut right here, and she also brought something else. What did you bring me?
Sandwiches with croquette.
Ooh, Dutch snack food.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you. Good morning, everybody. We are up and in the car. It's about 9 in the morning. We've been driving for well over an hour. Ben is with us, and we are heading to Den Helder.
Well, Den Helder is the point where you drop off the
Drop off the map?
drop off the map. I don't know if that is English an expression, but here in Holland it is.
So it means it's very far away, and it's also the point where you can take the ferry to Texel, which is one of the Dutch islands.
Yeah, but that, I just want to make a joke, but it sounds very stupid. Bye! Okay, dan moet ook.
It's back to sorrow. Daddy's on the mountain, yelling at the bloody sky. Mama's in the mirror, acting out another lie. Children in the schoolyard singing, everybody dies. I'm on the corner with the sentimental eye. I'm on the corner.
We are taking. Hello. Yeah. We are taking a slight detour. Monique found the army surplus store close by. We still need one big Zargus aluminum crate for in the back, and you can never have enough crates when you are off-roading. Hopefully it's not that far, like it's just 10 minutes drive. This is Monique's iPhone, by the way. So this is all the boxes they have over here. these are the ones we're bringing home, so we need to move a lot from here over there.
Sometimes it is sometimes, let it sunshine on my mind. All the same, it's conscience waiting.
The detour mission was a success.
Last night I dreamed myself upon the golden glade. The clouds passed in and out of my reflections, till everyone I've known held my hands till they would play. And the storm finally bled from my complexion. The jade is on the mountain singing we will never die. The band is in the rainbow playing love for you and I. Heath is riding shotgun aiming at the paper sky. And I won't lie.
This here is the North Sea, and that over there, oh, and that over there is Texel.
Sometimes it is sometimes, let it sunshine on my mind. Healing, I need healing, a good feeling, I can shine. Leaving like you can see it, like you can dream it in your mind. Sunny, hallelujah, coming to you, we gonna shine. I'm just saying it's conscience waiting across the line.
2 cappuccino's graag. Hi. Dankjewel. Rest in peace, little buddy. Taking a shortcut. This is a really strange route we're taking now. I have no clue.
As you can see, my nephew is with us. This is my twin sister, and they are coming over later this evening. Hi, Nathan.
The same, it's conscience waiting.
Are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Van huis? We're going home.
Last night I dreamed myself upon a golden glade. The clouds passed in and out of my reflections, till everyone I've known held my hands till they would play. And the storm finally bled from my complexion.
So these are the boxes I got. So this is a vintage German army, and the things I got were a big water bag for the dog, and this is a cool thing. It's a grappling hook, ammo box, so we can put our passports in here. So I'll bolt this to the floor somewhere in the car, and these very cool things here. I'll probably use this for camera equipment, And I've bought 2 of these, and then this big one. There's another container to keep food cool or warm, and this is a Swiss Army. And then the thing in the back there is the biggest crate or container or chest, whatever you want to call it, to put the things in that I need to bring along on the trip. So this will fill up the back part of the car pretty good, and it will help me with our things.